These pancakes smell incredible. Time to dig in. Bon appetit. Whoa, it's alive. Settle down, Pancake. Phew, what a mess. That pancake looks suspicious. Nonsense, it has a happy face. Still, I'm not sure. Just try it. Whoa! Get your off! Oof, not again! Ooh, buffet!
Smell pancakes from 3 blocks away. Ah, it's a delicious aroma. I must have one.
Here you go, hot and fresh.
Give me! I'm starving!
Patience is a virtue.
I want them now! Whoa, look out! Yikes, it's exploding! What a pancakes everywhere! Ooh, delicious!
Hey, watch it! Whoops, not again.
These pancakes are incredible. They do look good. Mmm, so good. You're a mess. Breakfast is served. Pancakes? That looks dangerous. Dangerous? It's just breakfast. No, it's a trap. Nice stain, Inspector. It is syrup from the pancakes. Of course, very appetizing.
I am a detective.
Whoa! Looks like the souffle took a tumble. No problem, a little elbow grease will fix this. Breakfast is served, my feathered friends.
Sure, thanks.
There's plenty for everyone. Whoops, a little too much batter. No problem, I meant to do that. Up we go! Perfect flip! Mmm, delicious. Mmm, these pancakes are perfect. One more bite. Ah, delicious. Phew, that was exhausting. All right, time to cook. Let's get this party started. National Waffle Day? Woohoo, I love waffles. Time to make a big stack. Mmm, waffles. Yo! Youch, that's hot. Whoa, gotta move. Phew, safe at last. A little milk for the batter. Now, let's whisk it up. Perfect, ready for the iron. Ooh, batter up. Now we wait for the magic. Almost done. Perfect. Now for the syrup. Voila, breakfast is served. Here you are. Forgot to say thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy. Try one. They're great. Don't mind if I do. See? I told you. Magnifique. Breakfast is served, Inspector. Ah, pancakes, my favorite. But it's a bit messy. That's the best part. Indeed, a perfect pairing. Oh no, what a mess! This is a disaster! I can't work like this.